So now this is what it looks like. The hole that we've patched, sand and paint. Looking for any type of indication of it. Nothing, but this is only one layer of primer. Half this been primed. The second one over here, however, wasn't dry yet. We sanded it. Using the 45 minutes was okay, but I put a thin layer of finishing sanding over it after. This has been gouged out, so I just have to fill it again. As you may notice, it's not painted, but the rest of it looks fairly good so far. Got some over sanding here on this wall to fix, and some more over sanding on this side, as you may notice. The reason why you can see it so good right now is because I have sanded it. Used a sander, and I've basically used the side edge of it and gouge out the center half of it all the way up. And I did the same thing for that side over there. And then on any other mark that I see over sanding, I just kind of use my sander and I kind of sanded it out a bit just to kind of give myself a groove to fill.